Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's wig is brought to you by Ashimary. They sent me this beautiful 13x4 full lace frontal 360 wig. Okay, did I mention it's also glueless? So as you can see, they have these two drawstrings on the side that make it look so natural when you want to do styles like a ponytail or a frontal updo. I'm not going to talk too much into the install. I'm just going to have you guys just watch and follow along, but I will be talking here and there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So this is the part where I start to get a little excited because, you know, after you do your baby hairs, the melt band comes off, you just get excited. So this is where I kind of start playing with the hair. I'm pulling the drawstrings to tighten the hair a little bit just so I can really see the vision. And right now, as you can see, I'm going to be putting the hair into like a mid-low ponytail. Then I'm going to be doing it up a little higher. The back of my hair did look a little crazy, but you can see I'm showing you how you can have the hair up in a high ponytail and a low ponytail. It just looks so cute. after adding the curling mousse and the curling jelly, you can really see the definition of the curls come to life. It just looks so full, so thick, so pretty. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what the hair looks like up a little bit. Again, don't judge the back of my hair. I am still a 4C girly, okay? But this wig was so versatile and so fun to play around with. I think everyone should have at least one of these 360 wigs in their collection, okay? But thank you to Ashimary for sending me this wig, and I will see you guys in the next one.